Unlock the secrets of the English language. Hairpiece Explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, hairpiece. If you've ever been curious about how to talk about hair accessories or solutions for hair loss in English, then this video is for you. Stay tuned as we explore this term and how to use it in everyday English conversation. A hairpiece is an item worn in the hair, often used to disguise baldness or to add fullness to one's natural hair. Hairpieces come in various forms, such as wigs, toupees, and extensions. Unlike a full wig, a hairpiece may only cover a portion of the head or add length and volume to one's natural hair. It can be made from real human hair or synthetic materials designed to mimic the look and feel of real hair. There are several different types of hairpieces that cater to diverse needs. Toupees, specifically designed to cover bald spots on the top of the head, mainly used by men. Wigs, cover the entire scalp and are used for various reasons, from fashion to hair loss. Extensions, strips of hair attached to existing hair to make it appear longer or fuller. Clip-ins, a temporary and easy-to-attach option for quick volume or style changes. Understanding the specific uses and names of different hairpieces can help you communicate more effectively about hair-related topics. Hairpieces are used for a variety of reasons. Cosmetic purposes, to enhance or change one's appearance. Medical reasons, for people experiencing hair loss due to medical conditions or treatments. Cultural, traditional reasons, in some cultures, hairpieces are worn for traditional ceremonies or as part of customary attire. Performative reasons, actors or performers may wear hairpieces to embody a character's look. When discussing hairpieces, it's important to be sensitive to the reasons why someone might be using one. Here are some polite ways to talk about it. That's a nice hairpiece. Where did you get it? I've been thinking about getting hair extensions for more volume. Do you have any tips? Your wig looks natural. Can you recommend a good place to buy one? Always approach the topic with kindness and consideration, as hair loss can be a sensitive issue for many people. That wraps up our exploration of the term, hairpiece. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what hairpieces are, their types, and how to talk about them respectfully. Whether you're learning English for personal or professional reasons, knowing phrases like this can make your conversation as rich and detailed as any native speakers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.